Alright guys, we just got to the marina. Got the camera crew out today. Life has its ups and downs, but all you can do is wake up every day, do your best, stick to the plan, have a routine, have a system that's going to allow you to propel in life, that's going to allow you to grow and see results. Alright guys, I'm back. It's time for an update. So, it's been a very good few weeks. If you guys are following, I haven't posted a video in some time. I apologize for that. I've been super busy, trying to balance everything out and be consistent with my videos while managing my studio and my luxury rental business. Also am trading daily. As you guys know, I really do trade. I trade every day. I'm actively trading. If you're in the VIP, you can see all the trades I'm taking live. You can trade with me. And I'm excited to just continue going, guys. So everything's going great. Life has its ups and downs, but all you can do is wake up every day, do your best, stick to the plan, have a routine, have a system that's going to allow you to propel in life, that's going to allow you to grow and see results. So that's what I'm focused on right now, and that's what you should be focused on. So if you're not already, sign up for the VIP chat. The link is in the description. You can also sign up for a one-on-one mentorship with me if you want me to teach you how to trade, how I trade, all the different things that I know about the market, and have one-on-one access to me for 60 days. I just left the studio. Right now, I'm on my way to Miami for a luxury brand shoot on a yacht. It's going to be really dope. Let me enter the address real quick before I drive off. If you guys haven't seen my new Tesla, this is it right here. And the Tesla right now. Let me not show my text messages. Alright, we out. I gotta hold the camera so it doesn't fall. So, let me know what kind of content you guys want to see. I've been doing a lot of rentals, a lot of studio sessions, a lot of music videos, and I'm trading every single day. So it's a lot to balance. One thing I really need to include is going to the gym every day. I do work out here and there, but I need to implement it on a daily basis, and I'm aware of that, and that's where I'm lacking right now. I really need to continue to be consistent with my schedule, and I need to implement going to the gym. That's what I need to do. So it's time for me to focus on that, and I'll see how that goes. Also the diet, man. The diet's not horrible, but I need to improve the diet. I want to focus on just eating eggs and beef and rice and simple things. And get my protein, get my fat, and call it a day. Stay hydrated. Speaking of that, I got the Saratoga. And more videos are definitely coming soon. A lot of content coming soon. I got so much footage to edit and post still that even that stuff's going to be crazy just from the past few months. Alright guys, we just got to the marina. Got the camera crew out today. Never been to this marina. It's pretty dope. How are you?
What's up, man?
Nice to meet you.
Right.
Thank you, bro. Alright guys, so we're in Miami. Just got on the yacht. Getting ready to go out on the water. How many? No, I could count 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, no, I don't know. We're heading to the location where we're gonna have all of Miami behind us, as you can see right here.
We're out here in Miami and we're doing lots of cool stuff. If you want to check us out, buy my course and maybe I can teach you how to do what I'm doing.
That was a good sell.
How much is the course?
It's a lot.
It's just 1 paycheck, but I swear I'll make you 10.
Alright guys, so the shoot is going well. We're taking pictures right now on the back of the boat. It's for a clothing brand. This is what I do, guys. I do rentals, so if people need yachts, people need cars, people need anything, then I provide it for them. And if there's shoots, I can help out with what I can. Provide models, we can do videography. So dope, yeah. Let me give you guys this shot right here. Alright guys, so I'm on the yacht right now. We're heading back to the marina. It's Saturday night. Had a successful day, successful studio session, successful shoot, a lot of networking going on. It's always nice to meet new people. Pretty much what I do is I'm your plug for everything in Miami. So I own a recording studio and I also do music videos. And I also do photography and videography for brands. And I have a whole film crew, and I also have a full team of audio engineers, music producers, songwriters, and I'm also an engineer, and I'm also a director. You see me constantly balancing all of these things. But I'm pretty much the plug for whatever you need in Miami. So if you're coming to Miami or somebody you know comes to Miami, right, and you don't know anybody, you don't have any plugs for anything, I'm your guy. You need a car to rent, you need jet skis, you need a yacht, you need a place to stay, you need a private chef on the yacht with specific requests, you need specific access to exclusive things in Miami, you need recommendations, you need an itinerary of what to do while you're out here. I'm your guy for all of these things, guys. So you can contact me at It's Envo. I go by Envo Trades on YouTube. I've been vlogging for some time now, just starting to show the lifestyle, because for many years I haven't documented anything and people have told me to start doing that, so now that's what I'm doing. Alright guys, so I'm just chilling, waiting to get back to the marina. We're gonna go get some dinner, head back home, get some rest, but it's a vibe.